about you on the daily, like a pastime, like my favorite. It just runs its course. No one has to say a thing. Knowing you was my luck, loving you was my choice. But having you in my world, that's the part that feels like grace. 'Cause knowing you was my luck, loving you was my choice. But having you in my life is the biggest blessing. I couldn't have it any other way, not a single different day. Every breath, every second, you're my biggest blessing. You say you wanna marry me, smile every time you say it. You don't know that's my secret wish, been keeping it quiet. 'Cause a life lived next to you is a life worth fighting for. I'd walk every rough road just to make it to your door. 'Cause knowing you was my luck, loving you was my choice. But having you in my life is the biggest blessing. I couldn't have it any other way, not a single different day. Every breath, every second, you're my biggest blessing. If the sky fell down, if the lights went dark, I would still reach out, still